Riding, protesters, 2020 been a motherfucker.
Sure is.
Man, I miss my kids. Man, I really miss my kids. What's going on in the world today? Gotta keep a nigga on 10 toes. Ain't got time for the bullshit. Ain't trying to hear it no more. With the violence off of these streets, make it hard trying to eat. You got the coronavirus shutting down everything, you know, G. Now we gotta wear masks. Nigga, I already can't breathe. Now we gotta move a certain way just to dodge the damn police. Man, it's really fucked up outside. Now you got all the protesters. Niggas is really pissed off. So you better not even test us. Not even know we've been turning up and we'll tear this bitch on down. I guess the real question is, where we go from this now? Damn. Crazy, man. It's real shit, man. Shit crazy out here, man. It sure is. Stay focused. Love yourself. Love yourself. And keep shit motherfucking moving. You always. Hello!
Shit hard, shit sound hard.
You like that?
You like it?
I'm asking you honest opinion. Shit, nigga, you the DJ, nigga. I don't want you to. I want you to.
No shit I don't like.
Oh, that's exactly.
Let's start there.
Like, look. This nigga Jayestates, man. Stadium sounds. I'm telling nigga, like, tell me truth, nigga. Tell me if it's hot trash, boo boo. I need to go back in there and I can do it better because I've been practicing to be a rapper all this time. Now I'm a rapper.
I won't stop you. Alright.
Ain't lying, motherfucker. You know what it is. Put it steady going off, man. Stadium Sounds, Hello Squad Music Group, So Pop Goons TV, nigga. Gunna Mane, a.k.a. the Minnesota Viking, a.k.a. the King of the City, a.k.a. Mr. Hello. The real Mr. Hello. All them other niggas is imposters. Tell them I said it. We in here, though. Yeah, it's called Reminiscing.
You want some more artists on?
This nigga. Auto-tune king, nigga. See if I can post this.
I was telling AK, he talking about I was recording him. Like, you want auto-tune? He be talking hella shit about auto-tune.
Oh, AK. The big homie AK. One of the Minneapolis legends. Out in his hip-hop, most definitely did something for the hip-hop community. And doing stuff for the hip-hop community.
He probably did the most.
Yeah, AK most definitely did some shit.
The most.
As far as
all that shit. Shows, put on.
Oh yeah, shows.
Everything.
Yeah, you right.
That's everything. You know what I mean?
You
Studio
right.
first.
You right.
Consistently.
You know what I'm saying? Consistently with it. You know what I mean? Yeah, you right about that. Shout out to the big homie AK. You know what I mean? We live. Studio sounds. Y'all gonna vibe. I want y'all to vibe with me real quick. Feel this shit. Oh, this nigga done fucked it up. Yeah. Let them get a taste of that motherfucking breakdown. You know what I mean? In this bitch. Stadium Sound. On that hello shit, nigga. Always lie some of you motherfuckers ain't. You feel that shit. Hey, we live. Oh, late with it. Hold on. Hey, they finna feel that breakdown like. Hey, you feel the wave? You feel the wave, baby? Hey! Come to fuck the city up and show up and show out, nigga. What the fuck you mean? Hello! I'm ready. Let's get it.